Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to do an experiment on the power of fire. Before starting the video, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon beside it. Let's start the video. Guys, when you are going to light up something, you usually put that objects into the fire. But today, I am going to fire an object by the heat produced by fire. But I'm not going to put that object inside the fire, but I'm going to light it with the heat produced by the fire. Means I'm going to hold it up 2 to 3 inches above the fire and going to light it up. Friends, to do this video, the thing that we need is a cotton fire catcher and a matchstick. The first thing that we should do is this is cotton fire picker and this is matchstick. Now I am going to light up it. I have lighted it up, friends, and now I am going to light up a matchstick by holding it up with 2 to 3 inches above the fire. Let's start. See friends, let's try it another one time. Let's see this in slow motion. Guys, when we place the matchstick 2 to 3 inches above the fire, the matchstick collects the heat produced by the fire and the matchstick will become so much heat. Then the heat will turn into the fire. This is the trick behind this experiment. If you like this video, please like the video and share the link to your friends, and thanks for watching.